Hey guys, so I just received a package that I cannot wait to open. It is actually something that I haven't opened up yet, so I want to do that with you all so we can experience just what's inside together. Let's do it. Oh, snap. All right, it's time. Let's see what we've got. How cool is this? Goat Gang. Goat Gang. Wow. Okay. We have got a super dope hoodie from Nkosi. Guys, this is an amazing hoodie from Nkosi. It is the Goat Gang hoodie. We got the 3 goats in the front, and it says, "Only the great ones can relate." I think that is beautiful. Seriously, no, I'm playing. Is that a sheep? That's a sheep. It looks amazing, and it feels great. Let's try it on. Ah, it looks so good. Wow. And Cozy did this, and it's nice and cozy. I am the Undertaker. If I'm being honest with you, I like it a lot. I like it a whole lot. I mean, wow. This is a really, really, really nice hoodie by Nkosi. I love the message. I love the look. It looks fantastic. I love the colors and the feel of it. I think it's great. So, I mean, I definitely think that you all should definitely go shop and get your clothing from Nkosi today. This is amazing. I love it. I think they might be the GOATs. But hey, only the real can relate.